Hi everyone! Welcome and welcome back. If you love bags and accessories, designer or not, please do consider subscribing to this channel, hit on the notification bell, and together, let's enjoy these beautiful pieces. So today, I'll be sharing with you how I do a revamp on this simple pouch into a Chanel style design. So first we need to do is to get the chain and this small leather piece that I have cut from old bags that I have already before, and put this inside and outside just like the strap of a Chanel bag, so that looks like this one. I have interchanged it, so this will be our handle. So then let's cut this one using this cutter and using this two pliers, long nose pliers. Let's remove this one. This is the simple, and we'll turn this zipper pull into something beautiful. And I have here a metal ring to place our new handle. This one. Now we will stitch this, the edge, so that it will not, using thread and black needle, a black thread. So here it is. Let's make a knot at the end, and it's got the excess. So now I already did the same thing on the other side, and now we have this space so that I can put that on the loop, the metal loop that I have placed on the zipper pull area. So let's put it there. So this is the metal loop. Hope you can see. That is the metal loop. So we will insert this space in there, as well as the other side. So you can see that. And then let's close it using this one, flat edge long nose. Now I successfully placed the two edges inside this circle loop, circle ring, and it looks like this. And this one, this replaced the zipper pull we have that is originally here. So this is now very Chanel inspired looking, but we still have one more to place, one final touch. This is a tassel keychain that I have in my things. This I found this on one of my tools, and it looks really elegant looking. This looks like a bottle of a Chanel bottle, perfume bottle, and I love that it has this gold details with rhinestone finish, or like gemstones, and I like that. It really looks very elegant. We just need to use this one for our final touch. Okay, let's remove this one. So we'll put this in this loop where we have placed the one that we have done earlier. So there. Now it looks very elegant and beautiful compared to the one that you have seen when I first bought it. So this will now serve as the zipper pull. It's really nice. I really like it. Now we have our finished product. We have turned this very simple zipper pull into this one from a repurposed chain from my supplies, and a recycled leather, and a charm from a keychain. This one really reminded me of a pull tab from a soda can, so I really don't like it. It looks very cheap to me, and now it became like this. I hope you enjoyed. Please give me a thumbs up, and remember to thank God for these blessings. See you next time. Bye.